Welcome to Seabird YouTube channel. In this video includes small introduction about Power BI. Microsoft created the business intelligence and data visualization application known as Power BI. It enables users to build dynamic reports and dashboards by connecting to a variety of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and cloud services. Users of Power BI can develop visuals that enhance their understanding of their data and enable them to spot trends and insights. These visualizations can comprise, among other things, graphs, maps, and tables. Moreover, Power BI gives users access to a variety of tools for data modeling and analysis, as well as the ability to communicate with others by sharing reports and dashboards. Excel, SharePoint, Salesforce, and other data sources may all be used with Power BI, which is accessible in desktop and online versions. It is used by a wide range of businesses and organizations to analyze and visualize data, and to make data-driven decisions.